There are some serious developments between Tesla and India. Bengaluru, the home of electric vehicle startups, rolls out red carpet for Tesla's India safari, report Economics Times India Times. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harian from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. So let me first of all tell you the synopsis, and then I'll go into detail. Tesla CEO Elon Musk tweeted Friday that the company will enter the Indian market next year for sure. He thanked customers in the country, in India, for having waited since making bookings in 2016 for its electric cars. Several Indian startup founders such as Paitim's Vijay Shekhar Sharma and Koki's Vishal Kondal paid a $1,000 advance to book Tesla cars ahead of the global launch. Now, Bengaluru, the home of the EV startups, rolls out the red carpet for Tesla India Safari. The Economic Times of India reports saying Bengaluru, Karnataka has pitched Bengaluru to Tesla, the world's most valuable car maker, as a potential location for a Gigafactory where it can manufacture electric cars and batteries, a state government official told Economic Times. Tesla has already held preliminary talks with the state for a research and innovation unit in the city, home to many of India's electric vehicle startups such as Ola Mobility, Ather Energy, Mahindra Electric, as well as units of Daimler and Bosch. The local unit of Toyota, which Tesla overtook to become the world's most valuable car maker globally in July, is also based in Bengaluru. But I don't know if the local unit of Toyota is electric, because Bengaluru is home for electric startups. But like I said, I don't know what Toyota has electric going on in India, because so far we haven't heard anything serious electric coming from Toyota. Now, we have offered them, meaning Tesla, all support to get up a research and development center as well as the manufacturing unit. Gaurav Gupta, Principal Secretary of Karnataka's Commerce and Industries Department, told Economic Times, Bengaluru has a favorable ecosystem for electric vehicles and Tesla can leverage on that. Now, Economic Times also reports that the talks were preliminary and it is going to be a long drawn process. We are at it and we will keep the sustained dialogue going, Gupta said. We have briefed them about how Bengaluru is home to promising electric vehicle startups and also component makers and the advantages we offer, he said. Tesla did not respond to queries sent on Saturday by Economic Times. Economic Times also first reported talks with Tesla on setting up its innovation unit in Bengaluru on September 21. Tesla CEO Elon Musk tweeted last Friday that the company will enter the Indian market next year for sure. He thanked customers in the country for having waited since making bookings in 2016 for its electric cars. Several Indian startup founders such as Paitim's Vijay Shekhar Sharma and Koki's Vishal Gondal paid a $1,000 advance to book Tesla cars ahead of the global launch. Analysts point to infra challenge. So analysts said expectations of a big bang entry by Tesla into India should be muted due to the cost of the car as well as lack of infrastructure for electric vehicles in the country. Tesla coming to India would not have such a major impact on the market because, first of all, it's very premium segment, maybe around 40 lakh or so even for the Model 3. Range anxiety in the mind of car owners could be an issue for Tesla, despite the Model 3 offering over 500 km on a single charge, said Aman Matok, senior analyst at Counterpoint Research. There is no current infrastructure, there is no government support, and I don't think Tesla will invest so much in infrastructure because there are no economies of scale there. India's electric vehicle market is expected to touch 50,000 crore by 2025, financial services firm Adventus said in a report in July. It expects sales of more than 3 million electric vehicles. Now, friends, let me ask you several questions and maybe we can discuss them in the comment section below. First of all, looks like Tesla is going to enter the Indian market, and Bangalore city is welcoming and throwing red carpet in front of Tesla, saying, come here. First question, do you think Tesla one day may build a Gigafactory in India? Do you think Tesla's second Asian Gigafactory will be built in India? Now, my other question. We talked about that in India there is no infrastructure. Tesla cars are expensive more for most Indian people. It's a very premium segment, and also there is also range anxiety in the mind of car owners that could be an issue for Tesla, despite even offering 500 kilometers on a single charge. But it's a huge market. India is a huge market, and it expects sales of more than 3 million electric vehicles a year next year. Is this a threat, or is this an opportunity for Tesla? There is no infrastructure there. Maybe Tesla can start entering and building infrastructure and getting market share. There is no the cars are expensive, but it's a premium segment. But we know that Tesla's prices are dropping. In China, Tesla just dropped about $3,500 price per made in China Model 3s, and we saw the demand going up, and we reported about it 10 days ago, and just now about see the lines of people standing in front of Tesla booth in Beijing International Auto Show. So the situation with India, is this a threat that there is no infrastructure, or is this an opportunity for Tesla, a better opportunity? A lot of people, huge market, but Tesla can enter with a low-cost car, maybe something even under $20,000. I don't know. Do you guys know what is the average car price of new car sold in India? Is it something like between $15,000 to $20,000, or maybe between $20,000 or $30,000? If Tesla can make a car with its cheaper batteries that will have about 500 kilometers of range, and start building infrastructure of fast chargers or superchargers, and then they can offer a price point which can be at the average price that average Indian people buy, or an average luxury people buy luxury cars in India, I think Tesla will have a great shot entering the Indian market. This is a huge opportunity for Tesla, because if there is no infrastructure in terms of fast chargers and so on, other electric vehicle manufacturers also should think about this. So maybe by the time Tesla starts going deeper in India, by the time Tesla starts maybe building a gigafactory somewhere in India, this will take several years, or at least 2 years, because nothing has been announced or talked about now. But in the next 2 years, with the help of Indian government, maybe Tesla can build a advanced, I don't want to say huge, vast, but pretty advanced network of electric vehicle chargers, superchargers for future Tesla cars. Well, let me know what your thoughts are, friends, in the comment section below. This is Armin Harian from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. See you soon. God bless you, and peace be with all of you.